To take a screenshot using the task panel on the Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Edge panel. Tap panels and enable the task panel if it's not already selected. Next, open any screen you want to capture. Drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. Swipe through the panels until you see the task panel. Now tap take screenshot icon. As you can see, your screen will flash indicating that the screenshot has been taken. With so many ways to take a screenshot like gesture, buttons, the S Pen and else, the task panel offers another practical option and an alternative way to take a screenshot. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.